Hi there, it's George here, and today I will have to repot this beautiful plant here. And I noticed on the leaves like yellow, and it means something missing. And also the pot is small, and for sure have to repot, and we'll see after that how this plant, and it is Peperomia, how it will grow in my care. And he is so beautiful, as you can see the red stems. That is because the plant had sunlight in the summertime and it was outside. So let's try to help it and repot more a big pot. And this is the new pot which I have to give. And it should let's see what I can do. But now let's see close up on the leaves, and the stem how looks like the red color. Very beautiful. So let's take it out from the pot. It came very easily. I will now touch the root system. I will plant, as you can see here, with this soil. Well, now I'm ready to add the potting soil here in the new pot. And this is an universal potting soil. I should mix it with soil from the garden and another mix, but I had no time. Anyway, let's try to plant it here, then we'll see. Well, now let's try to plant this beautiful plant. Very careful. It's just perfect. Just have to add soil around it. I will press a little bit, and I will water with room temperature water. Water is from the tap, but always it's good to choose rainwater, but I had no rainwater. It's squeezing well. Also, I will add a little bit more water, and that's all. Well, that is the final result. I have to clean all here. Well, I will make another video when this beautiful plant will grow, and yeah, should grow many leaves after that, after a few weeks or months, and I will do an update video. So I hope it does well. And thank you so much for watching this video to the end. That really means a lot for my channel. And greetings from Moldova. Hit the notification bell if you want, and subscribe to my channel. Catch you next time. Bye bye.